Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on FLOKI. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently FLOKI has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price line has geared up very well. And after the breakout from this wedge, imminently it also broke out a quite significant and key resistance of 270.0000270 dollars that had been previously working as a support here, and for several weeks it has been working as a support here, and here again it has been working as a support for several weeks, and after the breakdown it was flipped into a quite long-term resistance. You can see since after the month of June 2023 up till here, up till the month of October 2023, it has been working as a resistance, and after the breakout it flipped into a very strong support once again. We tested the support here for several weeks, and the price then finally geared up and broke out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 5780 and goes to 8204. And this resistance zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here, and here. This was the last rejection, by the way, that was happening here in the month of November, May 2023. And now we have broken out this resistance zone. And now FLOKI is starting to break out this long-term resistance of 174. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared 2 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared 2 days ago with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that FLOKI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that due to recent sell off, the price line had a long spike to the downside, but could not break down this potential reversal zone, and they covered back very soon. And then we had almost 50% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've also shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of FLOKI, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you this breakout from this channel, and after the breakout, the price line was stuck inside this symmetrical triangle, and after breaking out this symmetrical triangle, the price line got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And when we broke out this wedge here on this candlestick, I shared in those days this video with you. Let me show you that video. This was my last video in those days. And you can see this was the first candlestick when we broke out the resistance of this wedge. And I was telling you that now this rally that was begun here after breaking out this channel will be continued for the long term. And you can see that we have rallied very well. Now, so far from this low, when we were testing the support of this triangle and this support of the channel as well, up till this high, you can see that it has rallied more than 3,514%. And during this rally, we have broken out so many significant resistance levels like this one that was at 270. Then we broke out this quite long-term support and resistance zone. And now it is this is the second week that it is starting to break out this long-term resistance of 174 that has been previously working as a resistance here. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this resistance will be more visible to you in those days, how it has been working as a resistance. You can see back in the month of November 2021, for several days, it has been working as a resistance. And now again, it is working as a, this one. You can see that it has been working as a resistance in those days. Here, in the month of December 2021, you can see for several days, it has been working as a resistance here, and as a support here. And now again, it is working as a resistance for the past few days, and we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And after breaking out this resistance, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for this breakout from this down channel as well. The target for this breakout from this wedge pattern that I was telling you in my previous video was here at the top of the wedge at 644, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And the target for this huge breakout from this big down channel will be here at the top of this channel. That will be approximately at point 000, 3 times 0, $35. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.